It's got a mind of his own. Ooh!
It's Toy Planet. Cock-a-doo-doo-doo.
Hi Eva.
Hi guys, I'm back again. Today we are gonna open Little Life Pet because I also got this one from the shop. I did.
So today Eva's got 3 Little Life Pets to open.
Yeah, and we can get this Rosie, but I always call someone. We can get the party one or the star one or the baby one.
Oh wow.
Or we can get the limited edition.
Limited edition.
And I also got a green hedgehog. Look at him sliding down.
That hedgehog looks really cool, Eva. And what else have you got to open?
I also got this mouse. He's not open. Okay.
So you've got a mouse, a hedgehog and a chicken to open.
Yeah. Look at him. Look at him. He's so adorable.
So which one should we open first, do you think? Should we open the mouse first? Yeah. Right, so here's our mouse to open. And this little mouse is called Waffle. And he comes with a wheel. Okay, so on the back we can see 3 different mice that you can collect. We've got Wonder Wings, Waffles and Lucky Lulu. Should we get opening, Eva?
I'm just gonna miss it.
Look at that face. Right, let's open Waffles up. Right, so here's Waffles. Here's his little waffly ears. And he's got 2 sensors on his back. And if you look at his teeth, this is how to turn him on. You need to flick the switch.
I'm gonna put him in here. He wants to go out.
And he's up. Put him on the table. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Then he can't roll off, can he? Here he goes. Woo. Can you hear him?
I think he wants the rest now.
Give him a stroke. Right, you've got to touch it. It's got a mind of his own. He's going backwards, he's trying to trick you. Look how fast he goes.
He can't even know.
What have you got?
A hedgehog. He also hides a YouTube kid.
Here's Eva's Little Life Hedgehog and she's got Sally Seeds. And if we turn it over, you can see on the back, it looks as if there are 4 different hedgehogs. Oh no, 5 different hedgehogs to collect. You've got Penny Angel, Snowbee, Sally Seeds, Princess Pickles and Shy Sky.
Shy Sky?
Shall we open her up? Right, here's Sally Seeds and she's all green with a little pink nose. Shall we see what she does?
Yeah.
Right, so here's the on-off switch just here. We're going to turn her on. Oh, she's ready to go. Oh, quick! Oh, look! She's got into her ball. And up she goes again. Push her nose in. Oh, look, she's rolled into her ball. She's thinking about coming out. Oh no, she's upside down! And there she goes! She looks like a watermelon, doesn't she? Look at her back.
I want to see her face though.
Oh no, you put her upside down. Look her over. You're scared her now, she's hidden in her ball again. Oh no, she's on her back.
Not my friend.
Oh. See if she comes out. Is she coming out?
Come on,
Sally, please, out you come. Oh, there she goes.
Now I got the Little Life Pets. It's an eggshell.
And what's in the egg? What is it? What animal's in there?
Chicks.
Chicken. Right, so here's the chicken and its egg. We're not sure which one's inside yet, but if you turn it over, you can see on the back, There are 4 different colours, and if you're really, really lucky, you might get a limited edition golden chick. So should we open her and see who's inside? Look at that face. Oh my god! Oh no! Right, should we open the chicken up and see who's inside? Right, so we've got our chicken egg here, and what we have to do is remove the tab underneath and take the tape off quickly and just leave it. Oh, come in. It's coming out already. Blue chicken. Oh, he's talking. We've got Tilly, the dancing chick. Look at Tilly.
And put the mouse in it.
Oh, Tilly's off. Off she goes.
Send the mouse off. Mommy! There's a mouse in it!
There's a mouse in the egg? What's it doing in there?
I don't know.
Hatching again, look. Can you hear him?
And what he's gonna hatch. Everybody's not rated up.
Listen.
Well, he's rated up first, Mama.
Listen, he's coming.
He's rated up. That's the blue one, yeah, bunny bamboo. I want her to hatch it, but again and again. Let's put it in. Is your teeth? He's gonna win. I want him back in here.
So which one's your favourite, Eva?
And the blue chick.
The chicken, you like the chicken best?
Ah.
And the cool thing about this chicken is he can hatch over and over again.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Click on the red button for more videos. I hope you watch my video and put your thumbs up if you like this videos, guys.